Hi, I'm Jen, welcome to the channel, and today we're making my favourite homemade cheese. You can use different milks, but I'm going to show you my favourite recipe. I'm using semi-skimmed goat's milk that makes a lovely creamy soft cheese because of the tiny curds. Put your 2 litre milk in a pot at a low heat, bringing the milk to a simmer slowly, and have your lemon handy. You can always practice with whole milk as the curds will be bigger. Keep an eye out for milks in the reduced section in stores and don't be afraid to mix and match. While waiting for the milk, get your cloth ready for straining the curds. Now, it doesn't have to be muslin squares. Any cloth that lets the liquid through and catches the curds will do. Check in the milk and give it a stir. Now, the temperature you're wanting is just below boiling. The milk should simmer and have small bubbles around the edges and should be gently steaming. Stir in the first 1/4 cup of lemon juice. Now fresh or bottled juice should both do the trick, but for this recipe I'm using fresh. Should hopefully be more acidic. You'll now see the milk and the curds separate on the spoon. If not, just add extra lemon juice in little bursts, as you don't want the mixture too lemony. You just want enough to separate the curds. I used 1/2 cup of lemon juice in total. Give it a stir and make sure the mixture doesn't get any hotter, and hopefully after 10-20 minutes you'll start to see curds on the back of the spoon. Once the mixture has cooled down a bit and the curds have formed, you can then ladle it into the sieve. Scrape the curds off the cloth to help the whey pass through into the bowl beneath the sieve. Squeeze as much of the mixture out of the cloth and then tie it up. Hang it over the bowl. The cheese is ready once it stops dripping. Now it's time for the flavouring. I'm using garlic salt, onion granules and fresh chives I got from my garden. I might try adding chillies next time, so if there are flavours you'd like me to try, just comment down below and I'll give them a bash. Give your flavours a good mixing, and now we'll see how the cheese is getting on. It's still dripping a bit, so I'm going to transfer my whey into a 2 litre bottle now while I wait for the cheese to stop dripping. Whey is an excellent source of protein and can be substituted for milk in recipes. I keep the whey for making French toast and pancakes. If anyone has other uses for whey, please let me know in the comments, as I love learning new recipes. I'll also mention you in the video with your recipe. Now it's time to untie the cheese and add it to the flavours. This recipe doesn't make a lot of cheese, but it's so tasty and goes great on toast. Well, that's my lunch ready, and I hope you enjoy finding your favourite recipe. I'm going to have a hot chocolate now with the extra whey. I don't recommend whey hot chocolate, it's vile. Anywho, that's the end of this video, and I hope you enjoyed it. Remember to like and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you next time. Bye!